Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice equations for a plus b. If we have a and b as the member of positive integer. So to solve that one, we are going to consider here as 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b equals 1 divided by 7. So from these two sides, suppose we multiply both sides by ab. As we have this as AB multiplied by 1 divided by A plus AB multiplied by 1 divided by B equals AB multiplied by 1 divided by 7. So with what we have here, so here cancel this and this also cancels this. So that we have B multiplied by 1, that gives us B, plus then A multiplied by 1, we get A, equals AB multiplied by 1, that is AB divided by 7. So here, suppose we divide this one by 1, then we have to cross multiply. By cross multiplications, we have 1 multiplied by AB, that gives us AB equals, then 7 we also multiply this, which is 7 into bracket of B plus A. And next, we have AB equals, so 7 multiplied by B, we get 7B, plus 7 multiplied by A, we get 7A. Then let's try to take the whole of this thing here, as we have this as AB minus, so let me start with A. So by taking this one here, we have minus 7A minus 7B. Everything equals 0. So at this stage, we are going to add and subtract 49 from these equations. So here we have AB minus 7A minus 7B plus 49 minus 49 equals 0. So having this expression, we have to group this together and we also group this together. Then we transfer this one to other side. But what is common here is A after the grouping. So we have to factor out A. Then we have in the parentheses, when we divide this one by A, we are left with B. Minus, when we divide this one by A, we are left with 7. Then minus, also when we take this one out with minus, and 7 is also common, it can go here. Then we have 7 out. So when we divide this one by 7, we have B. Then A is negative. We have to divide both sides by negative 7 here, so that this one becomes negative. Then 7 in 49, we have it as 7. Then everything equals 49. So here we have the same thing here, as in B minus 7, B minus 7. We combine their coefficients together as A minus 7 in bracket, then open bracket, B minus 7 equals 49. So we have to start these equations, as we are going to get the value of A and B for these two expressions to be equals 49. And what are the things we have to consider? Since we say it's a member of positive integers, then the positive value here we can have is 49 multiplied by 1. So we can also have 1 multiplied by 49. And we can also have 7 multiplied by 7. Here are the three cases we have to consider. So let's try to do that. So for the first case, we have A minus 7 equals 49. Then we have B minus 7 equals 1. So by solving this first one, we have A equals 49 plus 7. And 49 plus 7, that gives us 56. And similarly, we have B minus 7 equals 1. So by transferring 7 to other side and we add it here, it becomes 8. Therefore, A equals 56 and B equals, let me just write it like this, A comma B, this equals 56 comma 8. And when we try to do the second one in other way round, so what we get for that one as well, since they are just in opposite to each other, so we also get a comma b, which is equals, so instead of this one to be 56, we have it as 8 comma 56. So that is what we get for this one. And while for the last case, which is 7, then we let a minus 7 equals 7, and also b minus 7 equals 7. So by transferring this one here, we have a equals 7 plus 7, and we have b equals 7 plus 7. So with this one, we have a equals 14, and also we have b equals 14. So if a and b equals 14 for this case, and the question says find a plus b. So to find the value of a plus b from this one, so at a equals 14, b equals 14. So by adding 14 plus 14, we get 28. And when a equals 56 plus when b equals 8, so 56 plus 8, that gives us 64. But we have to note something here, that since we say we need value of a plus b, that's how we get this. But if you are to do substitutions with this one, are we going to get 1 divided by 7? That is the questions here. So I need the answer in the comment box, and thanks for always engaging in our video. So truly, when we try to substitute 14 and 14 here, we get 1 over 7. But does this one also equals at a equals 56, b equals 8, or the other way around when a equals 8 and b equals 56? And the answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and please, if you are new to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do it to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.